Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So I'm pouring on the back side of a record that I had poured the front of and varnished. And I have put contact paper on it. And this is leftover paints or paint that's been mixed a while, so I am not positive of what it is. But I'm gonna do it like a man in my Facebook group that I'm a member of named Dan Hodges does. He puts some white in the bottom and puts his silicone only in that white. So I have dropped 2 drops of treadmill silicone into this white, which I don't have a whole lot of, but I'm going to add some of these colors. This is a blue. Looks a little thick. It's gonna be a dirty cut. Silver that's too thin. This should be interesting. Some of this lovely hot pink. Some gold. I think this is Artist Loft gold. Pretty sure it is. Add a little more black. If I haven't added any black, I'm adding some black. Can't remember. I like that blue. Let it fall through. Some more pink. I've about used it all up. I think I'm just going to finish it off so I can wash out this cup. And maybe just a little tad of silver into that gold I keep seeing. So, I'm going to do a flip cup. Wish I'd have sprayed the inside of this with Blaster. This has texture from where that came through and where part of this peeled off and where the paint ran over. So if it's all lumpy bumpy, I'm not too concerned. I just want to see what happens. It's a trial. And that's how it looks like where I flipped it over. All that white and blue in the bottom. Look at that. One thing I don't like about flip cups, you never know what you're gonna get. Dan may be onto something with putting that. He's been doing some beautiful paintings. I shouldn't say he may be onto something. He obviously is onto something, because he's been doing this for a while, I think. And he does post some gorgeous pictures. So, ooh, there's some pink mixed in with that gold. That purple up against that gold looks pretty. That pink and gold really looks nice. More than I can say for this. I don't like that, but I'm not going to tilt it off until I know I have enough paint. Just losing some really cool cells right in there. Hold on to this right here. Okay, I got most of that off I didn't care for. The only thing about this paper being on there, it's kind of hard to see where your edge is. So, Take it back over that way a little bit because this edge is just barely covered. I really stretched that out. This is one of those that's just for fun. That's over the edge. Just barely. I'll take it back up this way a little bit. Ew. Holy cow, look at that. Look at that. Can you see it? That's gorgeous. I love metallics. Wish I could do all of them metallics. Just metallics. Get back over here. Yes, I talk to my stuff. Some of that over there. I want to make sure that edge is coated. Now we're going to go back this way. I don't know how I want to do this. How do I want it to look? Let me look at my design. Shift it back down a little bit. I think I am going to go ahead and get rid of some more of that. Try not to drop the whole thing. These kind of blue blobs over here are pretty. And I like that pink, purple, and gold right there. Okay. Okay, that gives us a little better look at what we have here. So, this is what I have. That's what I ended up with. I do have some little divots, and I see some bubbles, I think, right in the middle. But I think that's funny. I mean, I just really like this one. I like all the colors in it. I think it's very playful looking. It's not fine art, but it sure was fun. So, thank you for watching. I invite you to come back, see what I'm up to next time. You know, with me, there's not much telling. You might see some really instructional stuff, and you might learn something, and you might get tickled and laugh because I'm an idiot. It doesn't matter. That's okay. You won't be the first person that ever laughed at me or with me. I do have a good time in life. That's all. I'm 68 years old, so I'm not really too much worried about what other people think at this point in my life. Thank goodness. So, you know, I finally got that stop worrying part because you can't change what's going to happen anyway 99% of the time. So there's no point in worrying about it, and stress will drive you crazy. So just lighten up, enjoy life, have a good time, and laugh a lot and have a glass of wine with some friends, if that's your thing. I don't drink, so it just doesn't appeal to me. Not even wine. I don't like the taste of wine. The only wine I can drink is sangria, and that I can have every now and then. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you come back, and I will give you a close-up of this in just one moment. Thank you. Okay, see if I can do this without you all seeing a million reflections. So, here it is. I love that little thing right there. That little circle inside a circle inside a circle. Different colors. I love the blending of the colors. I love this blue that I put in there. That pink right there looks like a cute little eyeball or something. So it was fun. It's bright colors. Maybe I'll give this one to my great-granddaughter. She's 7. I think she would like it. Might tell her she can put stickers on it. Barbie stickers. So thanks for watching. This is what I ended up with.